Yes, open to page number 79. Page 79. The solved examples. We'll just quickly go through the solved examples, then go on to the worksheet. Write a letter in about 120 words to your elder brother, sharing with him your joy on winning the first prize in song competition. I think we had done this yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
You are Suresh Seema from class from 45B, sector 44, Chandigarh. Okay.
Okay. 45B.
Yes. Yes. We had completed half. I hope you know there were 20 participants. I think we did it till there. You know there were 20 participants. Some of them were from junior classes. When my turn came, I was somewhat conscious. But the moment I was on the stage, I forgot everything and sang to the best of my ability. So who is writing the letter?
Younger brother.
Yes, the brother is writing.
The younger brother.
Yes, the younger brother is writing the letter to the elder brother. What is the situation? Why is he writing?
And he informed his elder brother that he has won the first prize in singing
Yes,
competition.
he is writing his experience. He's sharing his experience. He's sharing his joy on winning the first prize in the singing competition. So he says there were many participants, there are 20 participants, and I was somewhat scared. But when I went on the stage, I gave my best. Can you guess which song I sang? It was your favorite number. मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया. Okay, so he sang this song. So he's writing to his elder brother, even saying, what song did he sing? I got a standing ovation from the audience. What is standing ovation?
And the standard clap, ma'am.
Yes, they stood and clapped, not stand and clap. Okay, so the audience who were there witnessing this competition, he sang so well that all the audience stood and gave a standing ovation. That means standing and clapping. They stood and gave him a standing ovation. When the prize was announced, I could not believe my ears. Could not believe my ears means he could not believe that really whether his name only was called out that he has won the prize. When his name was called out, he said, I could not believe. I thought maybe it is only whether I cleared or is it really that I have won the prize. Anyhow, I have asked Father to let me have professional training from an expert. Please support me by your word. So he's even writing to his elder brother saying that I have informed the daddy, I have also informed my father to give a professional training. That means some professional has to come and train him into his singing because he is so good at it and won the prize. Then, your affectionately Suresh. So Suresh is his younger brother who has written a letter to his elder brother about the competition that he has won in the school. Next, page number 80. We will just do this exercise worksheet and then go on to the next one. Turn to page 80. Now, if you have come across any doubt or any difficulties, just ask me, okay? You are Ayush, a student of 7th class of APJ School, Kolkata. During the recess, most of the students sit together, open their tiffin boxes, and share their contents. The children enjoy this time the most. This type of eating and sharing generates many good qualities among them. You
Yes,
want
sir.
to share your feelings of this community lunch with your cousin. Write him a letter in this context. Okay, so did you get what they have given you? What is the letter writing you need to write about? Do you know what has the letter to be written about?
Ma'am.
What is the letter to be written about? That is in your school during the recess. Okay, they have even mentioned the school. Yes, you need to share your feelings. Okay. Yes, of community lunch. What is community lunch? Sitting with other children or sitting with your friends. Yes, sitting with your friends and sharing your lunch. So this is a very good quality that you develop in the class. Also, you all sit together and have your lunch. So you share the quality. You learn the quality of sharing. Okay, so you need to write a letter to your cousin, okay, about sharing your feelings with the lunch that you share with your friends. So is it a good or a bad quality? Is it a good deed or a bad deed?
Good one.
Yes, it is good. You develop the bond between the friends. When you sit together with your friends, you develop the bond. You get more close. You even share. If somebody is not brought a tiffin, you share your tiffin. See, so these are all the good qualities that we develop while sitting together and having your lunch. So again, the letter is write a letter to your cousin brother. So again, you can see the format, you have the address. Does it have any punctuation?
No.
There's no punctuation. Then you see the format. See the punctuation you have. See the format of the date. First you have the date, then you have to write the month, name of the month, not in date. Then the year. And then you start with the salutation. Dear Rohan. Who is this Rohan? Rohan is the cousin.
His cousin brother.
Yes, the cousin. Then, hi, page 80. Hi, how are you? I hope you are enjoying yourself. I am thankful to you for sharing with me your happiest moments in your school. I also want to share with you the best time in my school, which is, of course, the recess when all my friends sit together and take lunch. So, he is expressing what is happening in the school. Just when the recess bell goes, we rush to a common place and open our lunch boxes in one go. That is, after the lunch, when the bell rings for the lunch, they all open their tiffin box together. Now here opens a gala feast of rich taste and variety. That means what? If you're sitting in a group with your group of friends, you have different taste. Each mother prepares different food. You have different variety. And each variety of food has a different taste. So he's sharing this with his cousin. The air is full of aroma which intoxicates us all. What is aroma?
Don't know, madam.
Don't know. Okay, what is aroma? Aroma is the smell. The smell or the fragrance that you get from the food. Did you get it? Now the moment you open the food, the moment you open your tiffin or the moment mommy cooks food at home, what happens? You get the smell. Yes, mommy makes some veg biryani, she makes some omelette or something in non-veg or something in veg. Whatever food she cooks, what happens? Immediately you get your nose starts. You have no your sense organ of your nose. What happens? What work does the nose do?
Mommy smell.
Yes, the first thing you get, mummy, what I will cook? What is there for lunch? What is there in the tiffin? Why? Because you are getting the aroma that is called as aroma, the smell. So he is sharing it with this brother, saying that the moment we open, all of us open the tiffin, we get this aroma of different varieties or different food that each of the student has carried. To add flavor to taste, we relate some jokes and have peals of laughter. So what happens during this recess time? There is no one to stop you. You keep talking, you keep cracking jokes, you laugh a lot. So during this time, during the class hours, you cannot do. So during this lunch break, during a short break, what you do? The little time that you get, you start sharing with your friends. You keep talking about whatever topics you get on. That is a time when you are eating your food and also sharing with your friends. We share each other's food gladly. That is sharing of your food. Very happily you share your food. You taste somebody's food. Somebody else tastes your food. So this is called as sharing. I invite you to come, see and share this experience with us. So he's inviting his cousin brother, you come to school and you see how we share our tiffin and how we have our lunch together. Looking forward to a quick reply. Yours lovingly, Ayush. Okay, so what has he done in this lesson? He's expressed his experience, his feelings in the form of a letter writing. Okay, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, anything that is not covered here, anything that is not covered in the letter writing, anything that is any difficulty you have got,
No difficulty, ma'am.
huh? It is nothing. They have just told how you shared your tiffin while you were in the school. You just need to write your experience. What happens? When do you have lunch? What happens when somebody doesn't get food? You all sit together, you all make fun of each other, you all laugh together, share your talks, share your tiffins. So, all this experience, Rohan is written to his cousin Ayush. Okay? Now, the fourth one, whenever you get time, you can just go through it. Now, we will do the worksheet. Now, for your term 1, you have your term 1 exams. Are you aware of your term 1 exam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. For your term 1, you have letter writing and diary entry. I told you previously also, letter writing you have 4 marks, diary entry you have 4 marks. Clear? So, you need to learn this.
Ma'am,
So,
only come for the midterm exam, ma'am?
yes, both you will have. Diary entry for 4 marks, letter writing for 4 marks.
I'm getting ready for
Okay, ma'am. Now we will complete it. That's why now we will quickly start with the worksheet. Now open to page 82. Now what is the situation? Who will read it out?
Ma'am, I can read.
Yes, read.
Okay.
Read quickly. One or two read.
You are session, you have come to know that your father is going to spend a lot of money on the health working education. That is polite to your father to still do not spend so much money on education and
Okay. Now what is the situation that is given? You are Saisha. You have come to know that your father is going to spend a lot of money on the marriage of your elder sister. Write a polite letter to your father requesting him not to spend much time on decoration and dowry. That is, you are saying, Shaisha, it is the elder sister. Your elder sister is getting married, and your father is spending a lot of money for the marriage. So you need to write a letter to your father very politely saying that don't waste so much of money on the marriage and don't waste your time. Okay, now they have given you hint. Taking the help of the hint. With the help of the hints, you need to create a letter. And what is the hint? Spending huge money is a wastage. Sets a bad example for others to follow. Why is it setting a bad example? Because people who are poor, people who cannot afford, what do they feel? They feel bad. Why? Because see, they say we don't have money, but there are people who are wasting such a lot of huge amount of money to spend for the marriage. So it sets a bad example, makes the life of poor and middle class people hellish. Okay, that means again I told you they feel very bad about not having this marriage in a grand way. Must save money and energy. And the last one is should lead a simple life. Okay, so using with the help of the hints, you need to create a letter writing. So, verse first, what will you write? First, you need to write the First, you need to write the heading. What heading will you put there? What comes in the heading? The address. So, what address will you put? Huh? We can just write Sector 44. Then
Calcutta.
we can just put something. Balaji Road. Can I put a comma here?
No.
Yes. Who is saying yes? There is no end punctuation in the address. No putting any punctuation mark. Okay. Sector 44, Balaji Road. Or you can first put house number. Now listen here. This all has to come in a straight line, one below the other. So sector 44, then we can write house number 384. If you are continuing here, then you can write. Okay, but in the next line you cannot write, put a comma. If you are continuing and writing your address here, you can put a punctuation. But if you are not continuing, you cannot put here. Okay, so I will continue it here, so I will write Balaji Road. And then I will put it as Bangalore.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Then after this, what should I write?
And date.
Yes, how should I write the date?
Ma'am, first 1 September
Yes.
2021.
1 September 2021.
21.
Continue.
Ma'am, we can write it short.
No, what short? What do you want to write in short? Very big. What this word is? You need to write in a complete name.
If we want, we can leave a line on the address and date.
Address and date, yes, you can. If you want, you can leave, but you need to see that it has to come one below the other. No space. Okay, it has to come one below the other. Then, what will be your salutation? To whom are you writing the letter?
Ma'am, we are
Yes, dear father. Dear father.
Ma'am, can we leave a
Yes, you can leave. You can leave a line here. You also can leave a line here. Okay, then shall we start? Can we start writing the letter from here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yes? I told you everything in the new format, the format of the letter writing has changed. Everything has to come in the left hand side, so you cannot continue here. Come on, start writing.
Ma'am, how is it going?
Quickly write. Move your hands fast.
Ma'am, why you not written why capital, ma'am?
Huh?
Ma'am, why you not written why?
Y is capital only.
Okay, ma'am.
Now here we have used the word Didi. Who is Didi? Whose wedding it is?
My elder sister.
That means Saisha calls her elder sister as Didi. So you can write it as Didi. Write it small, okay?
I mean, letter is we write the day.
If we write the
Day, man. Which day?
the date itself will tell you which day. You don't need to write it here. Because if you are sending the letter to somebody, immediately they will get that to know which day it is. It will get after
Me.
that.
Okay, man.
Move your hands quickly. What is after? Huh? With the okay, I write it after. After what? One of you speak. Wait, I will write. After marriage, I will write it here. Yes, I'll write it on top.
We can't say sorry. Now after go to OT level,
Form and show.
but we can't see that. When we can't go to
Wait.
yes. And now after what there I am what is written there after
Certain limits.
मैं only after marriage.
With look on top it is.
I consider
Form and show.
Ma'am, after
writing down.
Ma'am, please put it up.
It is visible now.
Ma'am, down. I'm down.
Now, if you do up and down, what about the others?
We can't see a one.
Now I'm not going to do anything. Some want up, some want down.
Sometimes we just want to return.
Rituals. He's telling his father not to spend money on that is not required.
After there, what is it, ma'am? Now you can't see clearly. Ma'am, what is it after there?
Huh?
What is it after there? Ma'am, please go to the channel and right?
There are
Right. After our what is it, ma'am?
after our expenditure. Turn off your mic.
Ma'am, please go right.
Huh?
Ma'am, please go right.
1 minute, 1 second.
From literally you have go to the okay. Ma'am, what is after ma'am? Dear father,
I have no objection. Write fast.
Ma'am, there is ma'am, how much is there?
Another 5 lines.
Ma'am, body part finished one.
No.
Ma'am, our space is ma'am,
I told you in the beginning, write small.
Ma'am, what is the answer? Please, ma'am. Ma'am, after objection in. Ma'am, what is the
In solemnizing.
ma'am, your
Continue it somewhere. debt-ridden life. That means they are taking money on loans and they are not able to repay it. Debt-ridden means they are taking loans. That means they are taking money from others to hold the marriage. That is called as debt-ridden, and they are not able to repay it back. So that is called as debt-ridden.
When ghost is to ride.
Yes. Will you close your mouth now? Who is not talking and disturbing others? Pawan? Quickly write. If you have any doubts, you can clarify tomorrow. Okay? Complete it fast, children.